Lyon, the former Roman capital of Gaul, an ancient region of Western Europe which comprised modern-day France and parts of Belgium, Western Germany, and northern Italy, is known for its picturesque Roman ruins. Number 1. L'Amphithéâtre des Trois Gaules, one of the oldest Roman amphitheaters in Gaul, located on the slopes of the Trois Gaules hill. It was used to host public spectacles and events. It also served as a federal sanctuary, and by the 2nd century AD, the structure could accommodate up to 20,000 people. Number 2. Le Théâtre antique de Fourvière, or le Théâtre gallo-romain, a Roman theatre constructed at the beginning of the Roman Empire, capable of accommodating 5,000 people. However, this number was doubled with later modifications. There are essentially two parts to the theatre: le Grand Théâtre, as they are currently seeing, and l'Odeon, which you'll see shortly. Number 2b. L'Odeon, a small theatre used for musical performances, recitations, and sometimes meetings. In fact, during the time of Gaul, there were only 3 cities in Gaul that had Odeons: Valence, Vienne, and of course, Lyon. That sums up our historical journey of Lyon, the former Roman capital of Gaul. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.